Yo guys, Watson's Vlogs here, and today we have another vlog on the channel. We're going to Bonfire night in town with a fireworks display and all stuff like that. And sorry it's going to be a bit dark, I'm going to have to use the flash again. But it doesn't matter, I'm going now. See you guys there. Okay, we're on our way there now.
Hi.
Yeah, Sean Sullivan's here, Matthew's here, and we're like an hour and a half early. Early again. God, we're early with everything, guys. Early. We have arrived early at the place. It's still an hour and a quarter until the fireworks start. I think they can still display. Well, there's rides on that. I think they should be here now. Hasn't even started yet. Hasn't even started. Well done, lads. Well done. Yeah, that's the ride. They'll be there. Yeah! We're all happy. We're all happy. There's a ride there. There's still something to do, but we're early, so we're gonna go Chippy. Yeah. Yeah, Chippy. That's the plan. We're gonna go to Chippy because to get hot dogs on there, the queues will be massive. That's all I know, basically.
We can on the rides before the fireworks.
Yeah, we can on the rides.
Legitimate. Get food early, straight on the rides.
5:20. It's just not gonna brighten up for you guys, is it? Yeah, that's the plan. Alright, we've arrived at the right time now, and we've arrived in the time. I think we're allowed in by now. Should be. Oh. You better be. See, we are. Allowed in. What's going on here, guys? We've been on the buzz. I mean the Sizzler. Opinions, lads.
I really hit my leg here. Yeah. It was squishing against the barrel for like most of the ride.
It was good though. It was good.
It really hit.
Go on the distance. We'll show you in a minute. Yeah, it was good though.
Hey, Sean.
Should we go faster? Hey, let's go. Yes. Here we go.
Fireworks start in like a couple of minutes, I don't know.
I got new teeth. I got new teeth.
He's lost a packet of sweets.
One.
Go! Hey! Hey! Hey!
He's a shit.
Hey! That was good. Hey!
Hey, try and catch one, Cole.
Some good ones here, big one there. Oh! Oh, they're good.
Yeah. The last game when you win, fireworks.
Oh, that's a big one, Hey!
Straight up. Just like spritz.
Hey!
Catch one when it comes down. Oh yeah, I know what you mean.
How cool. Oh!
Fish mark.
Fireworks was awesome. It was awesome. We're going stopping the spa, going back to mine, finish off the vlog. I am back home. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you did, leave a like on the video, subscribe if you're new on here, and we'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.